Hi guys, welcome back to my channel myTechchannel100. This is the part 3 of Learn Linux Basic Commands. Let's dig in. The touch command is a standard program for Unix, Linux operating systems that is used to create a file. The echo command helps us move some data, usually text, into a file. For example, if you want to create a new text file or add to an already made text file, > sign will overwrite the current line if the file is not empty, > sign will append to the next empty line. To archive directory or a file, we write command tar cvf with the name of directory or file with tar extension, then the actual directory, file name to archive. To unarchive the directory, file, write command tar xvf. To create a compressed zip archive file, we use the option Z with command tar cvf, which is tar cvzf. To uncompress the zip archive, write command tar xzvf. Ping. Packet Internet Groper command is used to check the network connectivity between host and server. Host. To stop pinging, we should use Ctrl+C, otherwise it will keep on sending packets. Controlling the number of pings. The number of packets to send to the server, host. By using C option we can do so. The exit command lets you quit the shell where it's run. Let's take a simple example. What I did was, I switched user accounts and entered the root shell. Then, I exited the shell using the exit command. Now, I write exit command in the current shell, which caused the terminal to exit. Using the free command, you can get information about the total amount of swap and physical memory, as well as it provides details about the used and free memory. Free -h command will show the output in megabytes and gigabytes.